Good morning. So here again, watering the seedling like every morning. Here I already planted the fennel maybe a week ago or something, but some they didn't do it so well. Like I will see who can keep going or who not, and what not. I will just put one of the radicchio instead of before watering, so I can water here safely. And there, these two beds actually they need some weeding. Here is the rutabaga, which is the first time we grow. Let's see how it will react. Needs some weeding because we didn't weed it since we planted. And here we have Brussels sprout. This also needs some check. Some plants do not make it, we change it, we weed in the middle a bit, and maybe we transplant something else next to it, like interplanting with maybe bok choy as a try. So finally I have done the last two beds in this section. These two ones, one is shorter. Here's some radicchio also, where there are fennel gaps. And also here I did some bok choy, the 3 rows next to the Brussels sprout with the carrot, and hoping to have a nice yield anyway. And the water on. And this is the barrier of the sunchoke, or tubinambur, here they call it, like this. It's a tuber under the soil and it tastes so much like artichoke. So yeah, transplanting. Here we are, all transplanted, the two beds. The water is running. Two different kind of radicchio, 3 rows, 25 centimeter distant. Here I did a bit of weeding to can replace 50, like from here to here, it's all 50, and in the middle I will do 1 row of 25 centimeter of cabbage. I can make also here between the 50 another one, so I optimize using the land easily. And there I already had cleared actually 3 beds and a half. So this one I just clear it, and this already I brought fork it, and this one too. It will be, I'm thinking to plant direct seed carrot here. This one already was carrot, so I cannot do carrot, but it will be Chinese cabbage. And there is the half of this bed down there, which is also was carrot, like all this bed was carrot. But while we were keep harvesting until here it was empty, so, and here it had already carrots, and we just took it out last week, so I started to plant it just now. So yeah, all this bed. So yeah, now these two already, yeah, these 2.5 I already brought fork it. Now I'll do this one. So yeah, so these two beds, what I already passed was the broad fork. I just pass with this tool, attach it to the weed whacker. This actually is like a power harrow, like you can see it, attach it to the two-wheel tractor, but it cost around 2000 just the attachment, and then another 4,000 to the two-wheel tractor, which is like the BCS style. But yeah, this cost like 150 euro. It's just more work, but I hope in the future I can buy something similar but a bit bigger, because also here with the terrace and the upper and lower part in the garden, it's not that easy to go with wheels from terrace to terrace. So this is super practical. It just, yeah, efficiency not that much, but so far it do the work. So since we don't have different way to prep the bed, it just shred all the roots of the wheat and the roots of any resistant or any plant that remained, so it gives you a nice clean bed. And then I will add anyway the manure that it's covered there with the wheelbarrow, and this too will be carrots, maybe carrots with broccoli or something. And here I start just this area, and then the benzene finished, so I refill it to finish this bed, and then the other part remains there. Alright, beds rigged, and I think next day transplanting and seeding.